Всім привіт!
Welcome back to Yappi Corporate. Today, let's go over some English expressions which are suitable for business along with business meetings.
А що краще приберегти для спілкування з друзями?
Let's go!
Oh, hey!
Oh, hey, what's up?
Do you want to join the meeting with a new client on Thursday?
I want to. Not so sure about that though.
Well, just let me know as soon as you can, okay?
Hold on, just give me a sec. Let me check the phone. Can't make it. I got a TED Talk on Thursday.
Oh, that sucks. Oh, gotta go. Catch you later.
See ya.
Would you mind joining me at the meeting with the new client on Thursday?
I'd like to. Let me check my schedule, okay?
Please let me know at your earliest convenience.
I'm afraid I have a meeting this Thursday.
Oh, that's fine. I understand. Oh, I have a meeting now. Have to go.
Hey, have a good meeting.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Thanks. Ну як? Відчули різницю?
There you just saw how not to sound like a janitor in the office. Stay tuned for more from Yappi Corporate.
І наостанок, ловіть всі корисні фрази з цього відео.